I'm trying to get an early start because I don't know how long this is going to take. Looks like I've still got a few hens sitting here on the roost bar in the run this morning. So they're going to have to clear out because I want to clean out some of these cobwebs today. I've used a broom to try to clean up in here before, but today I'm going to use a pressure washer. So the chickens need to come out. The fans got to come out. Feeder's coming out. Plus all this straw that I can get raked up. I almost forgot about that stuff on the shelf. It's got to come down as well. As you can see, cobwebs have built up over time. I've even got a bunch of dirt on the hardware cloth. Got an empty bucket that used to contain oyster shells. And still got some grit, neither of which I've used in a very long time. It might be a good idea to go ahead and use some oyster shells, but I don't think they need any grit. They're out free ranging so they can pick up any rocks or whatever they need to help break up their food down in their gizzard. That's pretty disgusting. I don't think we need this bird's nest anymore. Only thing left now is to get a little bit of that straw out of there. I don't want it soaking up all that water. Found a cricket while I was in there. See how long he lasts. Chick, 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 chick. About that long. The hens have no idea what's going on. All they know is they want to lay their eggs. I'm trying to do this as early as I can in the morning. That way it has time to dry out before bedtime tonight. Unfortunately, everybody's wanting to be in here laying their eggs. It could be worse. I could be shoveling cow manure. It's getting awful busy in here while I'm trying to work. think that's about all I'm going to get on there. I've about got everything off the floor, and I'm thinking, man, I wish Michelle was here today helping me with this. Not really. Well, yeah, I am thinking that. But seriously, I'm wondering if I made a mistake by removing all that straw. So the reason I say I wonder if it was a mistake removing all the straw off the floor is I'm afraid when I pressure wash this, all that water is going to soak down into the dirt and make a muddy mess. If I had left the straw there, maybe a majority of that water would have soaked into it. And then I remove the straw afterwards, and it wouldn't be so nasty in here. I'm down to the good stuff. I believe that's just a combination of dirt and manure. I'm going to save this stuff in a separate place from that compost bin. We got some plans on building some raised bed gardens out of barrels later. I might put a lot of this in there. So I've got everything up off the floor. The only thing left to get out is the straw out of the nest boxes and the rest of these hens that don't want to leave. So I'll get those hens out of here, then I'll lock up automatic chicken door over there and the door that I come in. That way nobody can get back inside. Sorry about that, ladies. Let's go. Go on. So they laid 3 more eggs while we were working. Well, thank you, Mr. Red. So the plan is to come in with a mild detergent, soap everything down, and then rinse it off with a combination of water and vinegar. After that, just use straight water and do a final rinse. So I've got both my high pressure wand and my high pressure gun. I'll just start on the outside of the big run here and work my way on in. Well, I suppose that chicken run is probably looking a whole lot better than I am. I don't know what happened to the 90 degrees and sunny weather today. I was expecting that heat to help dry the chicken run out. We'll let it dry out anyway for a little bit, then we'll go in there, see if you can tell a difference. I'm hoping it looks a whole lot better. Chickens are anxious to check it out. I couldn't stand to put that dirty fan back in there, so I cleaned it up. It might take a while for this thing to completely dry out, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. Hate to track mud all over that freshly cleaned floor. Really can't see a lot in here. So it's clouded up. It's looking like I got rid of most of them cobwebs, if not all of them. Oh, didn't take long for a chicken to come in. I don't even have any straw in the nest boxes yet. Looks a lot better. It's not quite as muddy as I thought it would be. I'll probably wait till tomorrow to put straw down on it, but I'll go ahead and get some more straw in the nest boxes. This is my first time cleaning out the chicken run with a high pressure hose, as you can probably tell. So I have no experience at it. Maybe it'll go a little bit better next time. I've still got the other smaller run and both coops to clean out eventually. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you next time here at the It'll Do Homestead. Have a good evening, everybody.